What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and this is what a 400 horsepower, 2-valve Mustang GT sounds like. That's right, guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing, hands down, probably one of the fastest naturally aspirated new edge Mustangs in all of Middle Tennessee. And trust me, by the time this video is over, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, now we're going to start with the basics here. What you can see at a glance, besides the super clean XXR 561 rims that are on this new edge Mustang, there is a couple of aesthetic features like you guys can see. I mean, it really can't pick it up right now, but the paint, let's try to get a better angle here. It has these little bit of blue metallic flakes on them. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but in person it just gives the car this really aggressive look. And besides the paint job, we also do have these aftermarket rear tail lights as well. Like I said, to the unassuming eye, this looks like a very clean, regular new edge Mustang GT. But key word there was unassuming eye. And that is because as soon as you pop that hood or you turn that car on, those assumptions fly out the window. You know what? Speaking of popping the hood, let's go ahead and do exactly that and show you guys exactly what makes this pony tick. All right, guys, so bear with me as we go down the list of modifications that is in this Mustang GT. So we'll start off with a 4.6 liter 2-valve single overhead cam engine. It does have bored pistons, 20 over, PI heads ported with stage 3 competition cams and behive springs, 78mm BBK throttle intake, BBK holder intake, polished SR underdrive pulleys, D&J long tube headers, and Mac off-road xpipe as well, along with Flowmaster series mufflers. And there's probably a couple things that I'm missing because my memory is kind of bad. Oh, look at that. Got another new edge over there. Anyways, now let's go ahead and listen to what all these mods sound like in what I like to call the symphony of the crying Chevy boys in B-flat. So now the only reasonable thing to do is to take this panty dropper for a spin and hope that we make it back alive. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Time to put this thing to the test. Oh man, that sounds good. Oh shit. I want you guys to take a quick look at that car on the left and take a look at this. No offense, I mean, I love my new Mustang there, but nothing compares to the feeling of being in one of these. This is essentially an SN95 with a more updated body, but this thing gives me the freaking creeps, and that's one thing I miss about that thing over there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can tell this thing's gonna be a beast. I'm barely even touching the throttle and this thing's already taken off on me. All right, so first gear, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, this Mustang wants to kill me, and I freaking love it. Oh, see, I'm so glad I got to drive my S197 on the way over here. The reason for that is because I get to see a direct difference between one of these and the newer Mustang, and oh my God, my heart is beating. I'm scared for my life, and I absolutely love and I absolutely miss that feeling. Holy crap. This Mustang wants to kill me, and I love it for it. All right, we're gonna do a little first gear pull again. Wait for this car to pass by. All right, here we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, boy. Don't kill me now. Woo! The shifter is very responsive. He does have a short throw shifter there. I forgot to mention that. The brakes are simply amazing. The clutch is just right. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. But oh my God, you can never get rid of the feeling. You can never shake the feeling that this car, that you are driving this car. This car does not drive you. You are driving this thing, and you better be on your A game or you will freaking die. All right, guys, so as I'm about to do the pull of a lifetime in this almost 400 horsepower, naturally aspirated Mustang GT, you can hear the cams in the background slowly loping. This is an experience. You're close to the steering wheel. Oh man, this is what a Mustang should feel like. Here we go. About to do a pull. Here we go. Woo! Damn, son! Holy shit! So as I literally fought for my life holding the steering wheel to keep this car in a straight line, big shout out, big thank you to Dean for letting me borrow his Mustang, letting me test drive his baby. So as I head on back to go ahead and meet up with Dean and get back in my car, we're gonna give you guys another quick little pull. Here we go. Oh yeah. What do you say, boys? We do a second gear pull? Watch my head go to the back of this fucking car. Whoa! Oh my God! It's your boy, Mr. Random. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I thank my lucky stars that I made it through this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.